Okay. So I'm canceling it. Now I'm going to show you where you are going to schedule this report. Now I have been scheduling this report. I am going to. The main is Reporting Manager Administration. Under Reporting Manager, Scheduled Reports. Under Schedule Report, these reports have, that is, for reports have been allowed for. This user is already scheduled by a 7, August 27th to September 23rd. What is the test report? February 1st. I'm in the sourcing project analysis because something like that is created. I'll click on Schedule. OK. If I don't want to be done, I'll click on None. OK. So I'm going to click on None. Remove this. Remove this. Click on Save. OK. Now I will able to do that. So only 4 reports are scheduled. So, as I mentioned, how many reports you want to keep it right. So the past 3 reports will be visible here. You can also view that file directly from here, or you can click on Delete and you will also see that. So last 3 saved reports will be available. You can decide how many you want to keep it in the saved also. For example, I'll click on Done. I can go by the schedule. Here I can increase these 2. How many maximum? Only 5 maximum. Otherwise the system will consume a lot of data. So last 5 reports will be saved here. So I'll click on OK. You know, this is also not scheduled. I'll just delete it. If you don't want to send anyone, but just want to keep the report generated every 1 day and you want to see the past profile, you can do that. So in this case, I will select this report. Select None. Click on Save Schedule. The report will be excluded from scheduling. I will see what is this one. So module is report. Custom line attributes made available for the PORS things. A pairing table is available for the PORS thing. Reporting is good in this case as well. I will make it mixable, because I don't want to look at 2 different program conditions, one for this reporting and the other for initial reporting. Okay, basically these data where you are including when you are doing events, you are adding your own terms, whether, if you want to, that terms also will be available in your reporting. You can use this. This is the new thing I'm seeing, where it is used as a workspace ID and the fight cost is included. If you want to report on this one you can save. These are all customly created by the user. So Ariba has provided option to include even those values also into your report. So with this we have seen on the reporting side. I want to show you. Let's schedule that report which I have just created. I can schedule from any of the folders. Not necessary that it should be in personal workspace. Even, for example, this report also, I can schedule so running background buyer 1. Since it is buyer 1, maybe I am not able to schedule it. This part. I will select something from buyer 7. I don't have access. So I will go to my personal workspace. Then I will select anyone. Sourcing project report run in background. Run once. Run this. You can schedule or you can change. You can play around. 3 days. I will attach this one. Recipient users. Let's select buyer 7. I'm not giving it a name. Then this will be. It will also give you how many days it is going to run. Next job, when it will run. It will run on 9th of 3rd at 12:30 p.m. because Sunday will be on that day. It will run the report. It will send the content. Click on OK. Then if you want to see this report, Manage Administration Reporting Manager Scheduled Reports. Here you will be seeing this report. Sourcing Project Report, Buyer 7. When was the last run? When is the next run? All the details are available here. Personal space. You open any of these things. Item level summary. Open. Here you will have the option Export. We will also have export data. Configure your export. Which one do you want me to show? Export to Excel. Export, if you're clicking. Automatically whatever you want. Save data that will be exported into Excel. The system will ask you to save the file which is getting exported. I'll click on Save. Now file is downloaded. Once I open that, my data, Excel is imported. Screen. This is the file which got exported. OK. You can configure this export by going to the Ariba screen. So once it is done, only one line, only, it is exported. It will give you the count of number of lines. If you can configure, this is a. This is a detail. Select. You can see this in 2023. How many bits are emitted?